When you think about underwater exploration, your mind probably conjures up images of shipwrecks. We know ours did. Perhaps you think of searching for buried treasure or ill-fated expeditions seeking the lost city of Atlantis. These things are the stuff of legend and have been restricted to fantasies. Hello guys, in this video we're looking at the 5 best underwater drones of 2024, and if you want more information we also put the links in the description box below. Thanks. Number 1. Janino Tether Titan Underwater Drone. The Janino's Tether Titan underwater drones are awesome. It has a diving depth of up to 150 meters, making it one of the deepest divers on our list. Due to some being unavailable to the general public, it's hard to find the best. That is why the Tether Titan is so unique and special, as it's available to us. While he's small, he's also super tough. It's designed with durable anti-compression materials that allow it to hold up even when the sun is nothing but a distant memory. That's not all, as this drone was specially created for professionals. Yet it's also user-friendly enough for your average user to get hours of enjoyment from it. Using innovative technology, its 4K camera can capture images of ocean life. It comes with a 160-degree wide-angle lens that ensures you'll be able to capture every weird little fish happily swimming along. Perhaps its best feature is the Hydrophone 5000. It's actually the Hydrophone HC6121, but that doesn't sound half as cool. This can record the sounds of the ocean and will either inspire your love for the deep or make you realize you never want to wade into it again. Number 2. Sublo US White Shark Mix Underwater Scooter. With a name like White Shark, you have our attention. It has an extremely user-friendly interface and controls which makes it easy to use, even for beginners. This is a great starter drone for anyone who is interested in discovering what it is, under the sea. This simple use means that it comes at a cheaper price than other drones. This is an even more attractive prospect for those who aren't yet sure if they like drones. Spoiler alert, you do. Despite its smaller size and weight when compared to other underwater drones, it comes packed with a surprising amount of power. It can explore for as much as 30 minutes with a sealed 11,000 mAh battery, and it's capable of reaching as deep as 40 meters. This gives you an extra 10 meters of proper range, which isn't even possible with more expensive products. Sublo has also paid attention to safety concerns. They have included a protective netting around the propellers to prevent any curious fingers from getting injured. This also helps protect the drone from any debris you might come across in the water. It doesn't come with a built-in camera or memory. However, you can attach most sports cameras such as GoPro to the base. This without worrying about adding too much weight to the drone itself. For those new to the drone game, this is an amazing underwater drone for starters or beginners to the drone game. Number 3. Janino Posidon Underwater Drone. Janino's Posidon underwater drone has been designed to explore as much of the underwater world as possible. Encased in a pressure-resistant body, you're able to venture into the darkest depths with perfect clarity. This is thanks to its attached dual light system that can act as your eyes when checking out water conditions in preparation for a dive. It can reach depths of 120 meters and comes with a tether length choice of either 50 or 100 meters. This allows you to keep the drone secure when exploring the unknown. In terms of video quality, it boasts a great 1080p. This gives you the chance to capture all kinds of cool and unusual images from beneath. It even comes with a live video feed so you can check things out in real time. It's also super easy to use, which makes it ideal for beginners, which most buyers will be. Simply connect the Posidon to the Wi-Fi enabled buoy and film away. This footage can be connected to an iOS or Android compatible app. The application gives you the chance to save, record, and view videos as well as share them with your friends to inspire all kinds of Atlantis-related jealousy. Number 4. A bubble autonomous underwater drone. This entirely autonomous underwater drone gives you the chance to explore the deep in a totally hands-free experience. This makes it perhaps the coolest and most effective drone that can go underwater in the world. If you're more interested in being the star of the show, this is the drone for you. It's programmable to follow you throughout your dives and can capture your entire session as deep as 60 meters for around 1 hour. It's also environmentally friendly, using sonar to avoid colliding with coral reefs. If nothing else, this makes it a hugely attractive product that ensures drone divers won't get too much of a bad reputation. Heck, it might even be welcomed well beneath the waves. Designed by divers for divers, this is the next step in ocean photography that lovers of the deep have been craving. It's also controllable from a boat. This drone is just now available for you to get your hands on. As it came out in November, and will likely have the most up-to-date features you're wanting from underwater drones. Number 5. PowerVision PowerRay Wizard Underwater Drone. The PowerRay Wizard is an underwater fishing drone designed to revolutionize the industry and takes underwater exploration to an entirely new level. It's equipped with real-time streaming that allows operators to view what's ahead and act accordingly. It was also designed with a unique fish finder that might also be handy in searching for sunken treasure, but let's keep that idea between us. It's heavier than some of the drones on this list, but this means it's durable. It's truly able to withstand the occasional knock and bump against rocks without suffering any cosmetic or mechanical damage. Its built-in lights also offer excellent visibility in even the coldest Arctic waters. This ensures that you'll never feel lost in the dark. With products such as the PowerRay Wizard, underwater drone fishing is something that will transform the way we think about fishing. No longer will fishermen have to worry about accidentally catching the wrong type of animal, or trawl through oceans and end up only pulling out boots. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.